Hi, welcome back to Cooknfly. Thank you very much for watching this video. Today I want to share with you one of the most traditional recipes on how to do Mexican tortillas. So it's gonna take only 3 ingredients, it's very easy to do, and in about 10 to 15 minutes you will be done. So if you stay there, I'm gonna show you how to do it now. So the only ingredients we're gonna need is corn flour, some salt, and warm water. There is 2 ways to do Mexican tortillas, and the easiest way will be using a prensa like this. If you don't have one, you can use a flat dish like this, and then you're gonna press down. If you want to get a prensa like this, you can just check the link down below. And if you want the written recipe for this, you can easily find it on my ebook, A Vegan Taco Experience. And otherwise, stay here and I'm gonna show you step by step how we do it. Okay, so we need 1 cup of the corn flour, a little bit of salt, and now we're gonna add almost 1 cup of warm water. You may need a little bit more or maybe not, so just be careful when you pour it over. Alright, so now all we have to do is mix the water and corn flour until we get an even dough. So you see this needs a little bit more water, so I think I'm gonna use it all. And you can also use your bare hands or you can use a spoon like I do. It's up to you. So you see it's not really sticking to your fingers, and that means it's ready. You can make small balls like that. And before I forget, it's very important to mention that we have to keep our dough covered with a wet cloth or a cling film, because it tends to dry out really quickly, and if you don't have experience, it's going to take some time to finish the tortillas, and you don't want a dry dough because the tortillas are going to crack. Now we're going to make small balls like this. If you want, you can weigh each one, and they should be around 30 or 40 grams each. It shouldn't be bigger, because then it's going to be too thick. And then you can proceed to bring it to the prensa. So this press, all it's going to do is press down the dough, obviously. So you put it in the center in between 2 recycled pieces of plastic, and then all you have to do is press down all the way. So you lift it up and you remove the plastic. So just be careful when you remove the tortilla from the plastic, because it might break up like this.
So I'm just gonna do it again. This usually never happens to me. Okay, so now it looks better.
Okay, so now it looks better, and I hope it's not gonna break like the previous one. So you bring it to the pan, make sure it's very hot, and you put it down. We have to cook it for a few seconds, and then we turn it around, and then you're gonna see how it inflates in the middle, and that means you're a tortilla master now. If it doesn't inflate in the first flip, you just have to turn it around again and see the magic happens. Now it's perfect. And that means it's ready to take it off the fire. Since it's gonna take a few minutes to cook all the rest of the tortillas, what I like to do is keep it in between 2 tablecloths, or this really nice tortilla bag or cheese bag I've got from Upcycle Let's Transform. These guys are making all of these recycled cheesecloths and tea bags from a lot of different materials, and they are helping a lot of people in India. If you guys want to get one of these, make sure you check their Instagram account. You'll see how beautiful their designs are. This guy is being annoying me and stopping me from filming because he was hungry, and now look. What? Huh? Why were you so annoying? Now he just lay down here my feet and I can't move anymore. Okay, now let's imagine we don't have this beautiful prensa. and we have to do it by hand. Okay, so you have to do the same thing we did before, which is make a bowl with the dough, right? You put it in between those two plastic bags I've recycled from before, and we're gonna press with this plate. Okay, so you just press down evenly, and it's not gonna be the same size as the other one. So after that, all you have to do is just press down with your hands like that, and then you try to do try to make it circle or go around with your other hand, so you end up with a round tortilla and not a square tortilla. And if you can go faster, that's better. That should be enough. That's flat enough. Remember to be careful when you remove the plastic, because you can break the tortillas. So as you can see, the tortilla is not going to be as round and perfect as if you do it with the prensa, but still, what's important is you can still do it at home, and it's actually a lot of fun doing it. We're done. It was easy as that, and I forgot to mention, so it depends on how big your tortilla is. You can get around 10 or 12 tortillas out of 1 cup of corn flour, and I want you to look at this. They're really cute and nice and soft. And remember, if you don't have one of these at home, you can get yours. I put the link down here, and otherwise you can just do it with a plate like I show you. And also, if you don't know where to buy the corn flour, you can get it online. I put a link for you as well down here in the video. And that's it. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like the video as well, or share it with your friends. Maybe there's someone out there in need of tortillas.